Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing VLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is types of negotiable instruments. So types of negotiable instruments. In this modern commercial world, negotiable instruments plays a significant role as it freely and easily transferable. Negotiable instruments are transferable instruments and time saving with no formalities. Negotiable instruments are must be in writing. Types of negotiable instruments: promissory notes, bills of exchange, and checks. So first, promissory notes. According to Section 4 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, a promissory note is an instrument in writing, not being a bank note or a currency note, containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money to the order of a certain person or the bearer of the instruments. Essential features of promissory notes. First, unconditional promise to pay. Second, there should be a certainty of the amount due. Third, promissory notes must be in writing. Fourth, it must not be conditional. Fifth, the maker of promissory notes should sign it. Sixth, the payment must be made to a certain person and properly stamped. Parties to the promissory notes. Makers, the person who make a promissory note and pays the amount. Second, payee, the person to whom the promissory note is payable. In course of transfer of promissory note, types of promissory notes. Promissory notes, commercial real estate and investments. Second, bill of exchange. According to Section 5 of Negotiable Instruments Act, a bill of exchange is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only, or to the order of a certain person or the bearer of the instrument. Features of bill of exchange. Bill of exchange is an instrument in writing and duly signed. Contain an order to pay. Third, order must be unconditional. Fourth, order must be paid to money alone. Fifth, parties and payment must be certain. Sixth, acceptor should accept it. Parties to a bill of exchange. Drawer, the person who issues a bill of exchange. Second, drawer, the person to whom the order is to be made. Third, payee, the person to whom payment is to be made. Types of negotiable instruments. Third, check. According to Section 6 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, a check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker and not expressible to be payable and not expressed to be payable otherwise than and on demand, and includes the electronic image of a truncated check and a check in the electronic form. Features of check. Check must be in writing and duly signed by the drawer. Unconditional order. Checks are issued on a specified banker only and it must bear the date. The specified amount must be certain. The pay should be certain. Checks are always payable on demand. Types of checks. There are 4 types of check: open check, cross check, bearer check, and order check. Open check to get cash from the counter at the bank, then this check called an open check. In other words, to get cash from the counter and deposit the check in his account and pass to someone by signing on the back. Second, cross check. In open check, there is a risk of theft and it can be avoided by issuing other types of check. Is known as a cross check. It only transfers to the account of the payee. Third, bearer check. The check which is payable to anyone who presents it if for payment at the bank counter. These type of check are known as a bearer check. Fourth, order check. A check that is payable to a particular person. This type of check is known as an order check. So this is all about types of Negotiable Instruments Act. In this presentation we study about promissory notes, bill of exchange and checks in brief detail. So this is all about types of negotiable instruments, and this video is not for any such kind of promotion, advertisement, etc. If you have any question, please mention in the comment box, and please like this video and subscribe the Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.